Hmm? Oh. Ah. Nice.
What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. I, as always, am Matt Tuna Turner, and today I have another unboxing episode for you. Sadly, it comes on the heels of some unfortunate news. My Sailor Moon phone, sadly, is kaput. She's dead. No power of love or friendship is going to resurrect this old girl. She's about 6 years old now, and she always freezes and crashes. And I was really hoping that it could last until the winter, till I got either to Taiwan or maybe Tokyo, and I could buy a new phone there. But it just didn't happen. It just didn't happen, unfortunately. And I think what happened was the maker of this phone, they stopped making hardware, and now they only support software. But sadly, other software, it's an Android phone, other software continues to get updated, and at some point in time is no longer supported. And I think we're having compatibility issues now, and so I can't use it. I can't receive phone calls. I need to restart the phone every time I want to get into it or unlock it. It freezes. It's just, sadly, she just didn't make it. But she has a pretty phone. She has a very pretty phone, and I've enjoyed my time with her. I wouldn't say she was a great phone, but she was a good phone. I haven't had a really great phone since the old Nokia bricks, but she was a good phone, and she was a pretty phone. So I wanted to replace her with something equally as pretty. So I scoured the internet. If I'm being honest, I only looked for about 5 minutes. And I found something that I thought was just as pretty. So I'm going to retire this one and put her on the shelf with the rest of my Pretty Guardian Sailor Senshi stuff. And yeah, I guess that's kind of it. I got my trusty scissors here. This time I don't have to get up to get them. And I've got this box. And why don't I stop yapping, because I don't want this to be a long video. This isn't like a super special branded phone like that one was. It's a phone. And so hopefully it's what it's supposed to be, because I actually bought this off Best Buy Marketplace here in Canada. And because it's kind of a long story, so I'll try and make this short. I went out and I tried to just purchase this phone, but here in Canada they make you like sign up for some plan, and I didn't want to sign up for a plan. I already have a plan. I already have a provider. But my provider was sold out of this particular phone, and so I went to stores to see if I could just purchase it, and stores would have it, but I would have to sign up for a plan. And I didn't want to sign up for a plan. I had money and I wanted a phone. I was trying to figure out why that trade was not possible. So I bought it off Best Buy Marketplace. It is supposed to be new in box, and hopefully that is the case. I honestly don't know. As you can see, all I've done is kind of scratch off the important information, and I guess we'll find out together. So why don't we? So here we go. I got my, let's get into this thing. Like I said, I don't want this to be long because this is just a phone. Nothing special. But, and hopefully it is as advertised. Alright, there we go. Also, I just realized that my mic was not recording for that entire intro, so you guys are going to have to suffer through those few minutes with unfortunate audio. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's just a white box. Let's get this cardboard one out of the way. Here we go. It is, oh, it's not in any shrink wrap. Oh, there's a little piece of tape here. It's supposed to be new in box. I don't know how I feel about this. Velvet. Ah, yes, I bought an LG Velvet phone. 5G, even though I'm pretty sure 5G does not exist here in Canada. At least not in proliferation to the point where it's a requirement to have it. It's a white box, you know, Qualcomm in the back, LG Electronics Canada. It's not a positive noise. I don't know, I kind of feel like I've been duped by this seller. It's supposed to be new in box. I did find ones on Best Buy Marketplace that were not in box, but I wanted the joy of unboxing this. Well, I mean, it's still here. It's got all the components. It's a quick start guide. Oh, no, that's important. It's plastic, so I guess it's somewhat new. Ooh, it is pretty. And it's big. Oh, fingerprints. But as you can see, you know, like I said, I wanted something equally as pretty because, like, you know, this is a really pretty phone. It's sleek. It's got some nice gold and pink, of course, because I love pink. So I wanted something equally as pretty, so I went with this. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. You can kind of see the comparisons here in terms of size. This one's much larger. About the same in thickness. Yeah. That's pretty sweet. I was kind of hoping there'd be a little bit more to this box, but there isn't. The LG Velvet. I believe this is the sunset pink version. They've got gray, they've got a few other colors, but I wanted pink, obviously. Oh, nothing under there. I hope this is the real thing. I mean, it looks legit. And Best Buy is a very reputable provider or marketplace, so I mean, you have to think that somewhere along the lines this must be real. Quick start guide, that's for the SIM card. Let's take the plastic off this. Let's see how bad the fingerprints are going to get on this thing. Oh, jeez. It almost slipped right out of there. Is that a scratch? No, that's just schmutz. Oh, it's got a really big screen. Look at the real estate on that thing. That's insane. It's just like top to bottom. It's called the Velvet. It's not like this phone is like smooth. This is like a buttery smooth phone. At least it was. This doesn't really feel velvety. Why don't we turn this thing on and see what happens? I don't know if there's any juice on it. Oh, there we go. There is some juice. Life's good. Hopefully there's no like spyware or anything right here. Steal all my datas. Steal all my informations. Well, I'm not gonna do any of the welcome stuff now, but it works. It's got 35% battery. That's pretty sweet. I turned this one on so you could see like the difference in screen, but it's dead. She's done. I gotta put the poor sailor sent you out to pasture. She will sit on the shelf and be pretty and be a memento of my wonderful time with Sailor Moon. But yeah, just a short, quick video, and I apologize for the audio issues. You know, forgot to push record. It happens from time to time. My bad. Yeah, I mean, you know, I really appreciate you guys watching this stuff. I do have other things to unbox that I'll get to eventually. I am working on a game review right now. actually 2. But I'm having some trouble writing, so you know, could use some inspiration if you guys want to throw some my way. In the meantime, you know, perhaps unbox that subscribe button and velvet that bell for notifications. That sounds somewhat dirty for some reason. And it'll let you know when I upload more content. I do try once a week. I know I've been sloping on that, but that's because I haven't had really a phone for a little while, so I haven't been able to be on social a whole lot. It's been almost 2 weeks now. Yeah, you know, I am just me. I'm not sponsored or I don't do any sort of cross promotion with anyone or anything right now. So, and I do everything on my own. I have to buy everything on my own. So, you know, I really appreciate you guys' support. So please do tell your friends. If you like the content, leave comments. Let me know if there's things you want to see. There is an Amazon wish list if you want feel kind of nice. Anyways, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Stay safe.